Is it still possible to run Facebook ads for $5 a day in 2019 going on to 2020? With over 2 million plus advertisers on Facebook currently, you have some competition to go up against. Well, by the end of this video, you're gonna know how to run Facebook ads that convert for only $5 a day in 2019. Let's get started. Welcome back to another informative video about Facebook advertising. My name is Aaron, and I'm going to show you today how you can run Facebook ads for $5 a day in 2019, in 2020, and so far and so forth into the future. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell for more content that's going to make you the best digital marketer you can possibly be. Before I talk strategy, I need to show you how Facebook determines whether or not to show your ad. For that, let's hop on my computer so I can show you guys better. Okay, let's go over how exactly Facebook determines which ads to show and which ads not to show. So I'm on the Facebook Blueprint website, and this is a good website if you're a Facebook ads beginner that you can use to get your feet wet and learn all the basics of Facebook advertising for the most part. So how Facebook determines which ads to show people is based on the total value, not how much money you're putting down, the total value. And the total value is based on your advertiser bid, which is how much money you ever put down, whether it's $5, $10 a day, your estimated action rate, which is pretty much how Facebook predicts your ad is going to do based on their data, their insights, and based on your ad account history and how your past ads have done, and plus your user value, which I'll explain in a minute. So this is what determines what ads win the ad auction on Facebook. So it's not whoever has the most money, it's whoever has the most value. Because think about it, if you see an ad that's relevant to you and that you like it, you're going to want to stay on Facebook, which is exactly what Facebook wants, so you can see more ads. So what drives user value? Well, if you know your audience well and if your ads are relevant, this will lead to a higher overall user value. And this is the important part. Ads with a higher user value can potentially get more delivery and have lower cost. So that means your ad's going to show more to people and for a lower cost as well. Whether if you have a bad ad and you'll get less delivery and you're paying a lot more at a higher cost. So you might be wondering, how do I increase my user value? So you want to look at these 5 different concepts that Facebook explains. So how people interact with your organic content. So in our example, we would look at how much Mary clicked, liked, and shared the content posted by friends and family. Your ad quality, which is an evaluation by a representation of a sample of Facebook users who judge your ad. So if people choose to hide your ad, then that's going to lower the user value and thus charges you more. And then Facebook will sometimes send out random surveys to people, seeing if people would prefer ad A or ad B. Predicted engagement, which is what I said before. So this is when Facebook determines how much predicts the user engagement that your ad's going to get, and the repetition. So what repetition is that if people see your ad more and more, they're going to get tired of it, and people are generally just don't want to see ads, like the same exact ad over and over. So this will in time affect your user value. So this is why you need to constantly switch up the type of advertisements you give out onto Facebook. So yeah, this is how Facebook determines whether or not to show your ad or not. So let's get off my computer so I can tell you guys some really quick tips on how to maximize your user value and how to get your ads to show for cheaper, and so that way you can run your ads for $5 a day and get the maximum amount of reach and the maximum amount of profit for your ad. So that's how Facebook determines what ad to show to a given person. As you can see, Facebook would rather show a relevant, engaging ad and charge you less for it. If your ad isn't relevant to your audience, Facebook's going to charge you more money for it, and they're not going to even show it as often. With that being said, yes, you can run Facebook ads for only $5 a day, but it must be engaging and people have to love it. With that being said, here are 4 quick proven tips They'll help you reach your Facebook ad goals for only $5 a day. Number 1, be sure your targeting is on point. If you're selling dog toys on your Shopify store and you're targeting parrot owners, your ad's not going to be relevant to the parrot owners, and they're not going to engage with it, and boom, you just lost money. Be sure that you're targeting the right people on Facebook so that your ad is showing to the people who already want your product. In the upper right corner, I made a video of how to do just exactly that. Number 2, make your ad not look like an ad. Every time you see an ad, no matter what platform, whether it's outside or on Facebook or on Instagram, what's your first instinct? It's probably,
Oh great, another ad that wants to take my good, hard-earned money.
I can tell you right now, the best ads do not look like advertisements. They look like regular Facebook posts that people want to engage with. So the best advice I can give for you in this regard is to go through your own newsfeed and see what your family and friends are posting. If you can make your ad look like what they're posting, it's sure to do a lot better than a regular boring ad. Number 3, ask for engagement. As I showed before, Facebook judges your ad based on the total engagement that it has. You might be curious, how do I get this engagement you speak of? Well, the answer is very simple. Just ask. Give the customer a lot of value up front, and then once you've given them that value, ask them to like, share, and comment something, so that way you get more engagement, and then Facebook sees, oh wow, this post is getting a lot more engagement. That means this ad's really good. We should show it to more and more people, and Facebook's gonna charge you less for that. Tell the audience you're targeting to comment something very specific, like ask a question that you want your target audience to answer, and then tell them to share the ad with your friends and family. That's also free organic traffic that you're getting as well, because then all their friends and family are seeing it and you didn't have to pay a cent for it. And last, number 4, offer something for free. It is very hard and not as converting if you're just trying to sell something directly from a Facebook ad. Give something for free. This can be an ebook, a video presentation. The worst thing you can possibly do is interrupt someone's day and tell them to buy something. So those are 4 proven tips that you can do starting right now to run Facebook ads for only $5 a day. Comment below what industry you run ads in, and while you're doing that, be sure to hit a like on this video. Until then, click the video over there or somewhere on the screen where I show you how to get 2,000 likes on Facebook in one day, and I show you live. I'll see you in that video.